Like you, I have gotten many emails concerning the AEAs, from students, from families, from service providers, from superintendents, from teachers, from past directors of the Department of Education, from interested citizens, from grandparents and aunts and uncles and parents whose children received those services. This is personal. It shouldn't be political. So like I said, like you, I've gotten many, many emails concerning the AEAs. Over the weekend, letters from a couple of groups of superintendents surfaced. One of the emails that I got today pointed out that the group of superintendents who were supporting the change in AEA services, 13 of the 17 supporters of the AEA changes were from one AEA district. Maybe we just need to look at the services of that one district rather than dismantling the statewide system that we have in place.